Welcome back to the channel. The channel is called CAD with Mr. Hugh, and we aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online. In today's video, we will be looking at how do we draw tangents and tangential arcs to circles, right? Using the AutoCAD software. In the previous videos, we looked at how we drew the tangents and the tangential arcs using the geometrical construction. In today's video, as we said, we'll be using the AutoCAD software to produce these drawings for us. In today's video, we'll be using the AutoCAD software to draw the two tangents for us, all right? Now, before we can do that, we need to know that the object snap is on. And how you would get your object snap? There are two ways to get the object snap. Either type it in O snap, which is a short code for object snap. So we can actually type out the word. There it is, object snap, and this dialog box will come up, right? Now you need to make sure that this box is checked, the one that says tangent. All right, so the AutoCAD can pick it up for us, right? Right. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna select the line command. Well, I'm gonna draw the external tangent first, right? So I've selected my line command, right? I'm going to hover over. I need to turn off the snap. This is a snap, which is also, you can press F9 on your computer, which is above the number 9 on the keyboard, or you can just press this icon here and it will be turned off, right? So what happened? The line won't be picking up the dots on the grid, or the points on the grid, okay? So let me turn it on and show you. So I'm gonna turn it on down here, and you can see now the cursor is fixing itself to the grid. So when I turn it off, the cursor won't be aligning itself to the grid, right? All right. So what we're going to do now is hover over the circle until we see tangent, the tangent symbol, okay? So I'm going to draw the external tangent. So I'm moving around until I see tangent. There it is down here, tangent. So that is what we're looking for up the top, okay? So let me go again. So we go line, and we're gonna move until we see the tangent symbol that we saw a while ago, okay? Alright, let us try it from down here. Alright, so we're looking. We're gonna try nearest. I'll come back up here. I'm gonna try nearest. Alright, let's go back to the objects now. If we press this arrow pointing down, we can actually get the object snap, or we can actually type it in. So let's type in O snap. So O snap. We're gonna clear all, and we're gonna turn on just the tangent one, okay? Okay, let us try that. So we're gonna go line, and the computer should pick up the tangent point. Let us go and try nearest. Nearest. Oh, you need when you clear all, you need to select by the O snap, right? It's not gonna when you clear all, clear everything. So we need to it wouldn't pick it up because this button, this checkbox wasn't enabled. The object snap wasn't on, it was off. All right, so let's try now. So we're gonna go line because we had cleared. There it is. There it is. Look, there it is. So we're gonna click there. I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna look for the same circle looking, there it is. Good. Enter. Right? Oh, beside a while ago was it? Let me show you. It was, I need to come out. Was this? Right, it was this. That little circle with the tangent there. That is what we use a while ago. So let me delete it and show you. So escape. All right, so we're gonna go again. Line. We're gonna hover. There it is. See that little green circle there with the T on top? Right, so we click there and we come across. There it is, and we click there, press enter, and that line is drawn tangential to the two circles. All right. So this one would be the external tangent. So we can label it external tangent. Okay, good. All right, I'm gonna draw the internal tangent now, right? So we need to ensure that the same tangential option is available. So we can go back again and check, although it is still there. Right, so there it is, tangent, right? So we're gonna go line. I'm gonna move. There it is. There it is. Right, so we're gonna go there. There it is, enter. And that is how you draw a line. That would be the internal tangent and the external tangent, okay? All right, so let me label it. So this line is a internal tangent, okay? Right. So if we want, we can extend the lines if you need it to go beyond. We can, we can stretch it. So we click here, and as long as the line is aligned, right, it will still be tangential to it. So we can extend it if you need to, depending on the question that you're doing, right? Right, so this will be the internal tangent, this one, and this one will be the external tangent, right? So this brings us to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at how we use the AutoCAD software to draw the internal tangent and external tangent with the aid of the object snap functionality. All right. So thanks for watching. Take care until we meet again. Bye. Thanks for watching the video. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.